To start YouTube automation, you need to have a good niche, and a bad niche can waste both your valuable time and money. That's why today, I have brought for you a niche in which competition is very low and RPM is very high, and the competitor channel we have in this niche has uploaded only 2 videos and gained 90,000 subscribers. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Look at this channel, it has uploaded only 2 videos, and the very first video has already reached 7 million views. Until now, it has uploaded only 2 videos and gained 90,000 subscribers. Inside this video, I am going to give you a complete breakdown of this niche. Idea selection, script writing, video editing, and full animation. I am going to teach you everything, so stay connected till the end of the video. And before moving forward in the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, because on this channel I bring such niches that no YouTuber will ever tell you about. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to click on the document link given below in my video and come to my document. After coming to the document, first of all, I have provided you with the link to your competitor channel. After that, the very first prompt you have is for idea selection. You have to completely copy this prompt from my document and simply go to ChatGPT, or you can also use Grok, and you can also use DeepSeek. So I have come to ChatGPT, and after coming here, you simply have to paste this prompt inside the prompt box and click the enter button. So you can see that ChatGPT has started giving you amazing style ideas. And according to this niche, ChatGPT has provided you with 100 titles in different categories. So you have to select any one of these titles, and now it's time for script writing. For script writing, again you have to come to my prompts, and after coming here, you have to copy this complete script writing prompt, and after copying it, paste it again into ChatGPT, and from here, you have to select any title, and I have left a place below to paste the title. You have to paste it there. After pasting the title, I have also left one more place here for the video length. Here you can write as many words as you want, or as many minutes as you want. After that, simply click the enter button, and ChatGPT will write a very professional level, powerful script for you, just like your competitor's style. Now it's time to make its video. Before making the video, we will create its images and animate them. To create images, again, you have to come to my document and copy the image prompt. After copying it, you have to go back to ChatGPT and paste it, and paste your complete script here where I have left space for the script. And you can write the number of images you want, then press enter. Now to create these images, you simply have to go to Google and write Whisk AI, or you can also go to Image Effects. So I have come to Whisk. Here you have to paste your image prompt and create all your images one by one. After creating the images, now it's time to animate them. To animate them, you simply have to come to Grok, and after clicking on the Imagine button, click on the Attach button and upload your first image here. And along with it, apply the first animation prompt. So your image will get animated completely in your competitor's style. So I hope you liked today's video. And if you start making and uploading such videos from today, you can also grow on YouTube and earn strong money. But whether it's growing or earning strong money, consistent hard work is a must. If you liked the video, then make sure to like the video, and also make sure to share this video with your friend.